In today's video, we'll show you how to place bracket orders on RTrader Pro. A bracket order is an advanced order type that helps you manage both your profit target and your stop loss automatically. In simple terms, it locks in profits and limits losses, all in one setup. To enter a bracket order, we first need to create a bracket. For that, click on bracket/OCO, then click Configure. A new window will open. Here, type in the name you want for the bracket. Let's keep it as 2:1. Next, select the bracket type. You can set it for target only, stop only, or both. Now let's set the bracket. First, set the target ticks. This defines how many ticks away from the fill price you want to place your profit target. Just double-click in the cell and use the buttons to set it. Next, enter the quantity. Similarly, set the stop ticks according to your strategy and adjust the quantity. If you're trading more than one order or contract, you can even set multiple targets. This way, you can add as many profit and loss levels as your strategy requires. Once done, click Save and Close. Now, simply select the saved bracket from the drop-down and enable bracket orders. You can now place any type of order, market, stop, or limit, and each trade will automatically have both a profit target and a stop loss attached. Once the market reaches either your profit or loss level, one order will get filled and the other will be canceled. And that's it. Placing bracket orders on RTrader Pro is that simple. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.